Yes guys, welcome to Chef Hampshire, where today we're going to be making smoky tofu and bacon satay noodles. Beautiful peanut sauce for this Asian dish. It's going to have a kick of chili and then a beautiful freshness of lime and coriander running through the dish. Let's do this. So let's start with our mushrooms. We're going to go with 300 grams of chestnut mushrooms. You're going to slice them up finely and then get them into a hot pan with a tablespoon of sunflower or vegetable oil. Do this with all 300 grams of your mushroom, get them in there, give them one stir, add in some salt and then leave them. You don't want to touch the mushrooms whilst they're cooking because you just want to let it cook off all of that excess moisture. If you mix it, they can go slimy. So now that my mushrooms are in there, they've been there for about 5 minutes, I haven't touched them at all. We're now going to go in with our tofu. I've cut them into about centimetre cubes. Whack it all in there. I'm going with Typhon smoked tofu. So it's got some almonds and sesame seeds in there. Now I just want to give it a quick mix. Just so everything comes together. And then leave it again. We're not going to stir it at all. Leave it to sit for 5 minutes. At this point, we're going to take our knob of ginger. You can grate it in, microplane it, or you can just dice it up finely and whack it into. So now that our mushrooms and tofu's been cooking away, it's got that ginger in there too. I've now got a few radishes that I've quartered and sliced that are going to be going in there, as well as I've cut up 2 green onions and then 1 whole red chilli. Everything can just go in there. Give it a mix. Let it fry off for a bit. Now is also the moment to get your noodles on. So I'm going with a brown rice udon noodle. You can use whatever noodle you want. Rice, vermicelli, however you fancy. This is just my choice today. So I'm going to get them into a pot of boiling water with some stock in it, some salt, and then boil them off for about 9 to 10 minutes. So I've got my stock here. I just crumbled a stock cube into about 500 ml of water. We're now going in with a whole packet or 200 grams of my brown rice udon noodles. Get them in there. After about 10 seconds, 30 seconds, they'll all fall down into the pot. Then we're just going to leave them in there for about 9 to 10 minutes. Just put my veggies, my tofu and mushroom off to one side, just on about a medium to high heat. And then I'm also going to go in with bacon from This Isn't Bacon or At This UK. So I'm just going to chop it up into small pieces, whack it in with my veggies, my tofu and my mushrooms as well, just to give it a beautiful smoky bacon flavour that you would get from like a pork noodle. So now that my noodles were cooked, I saved back 100 ml of that stock for the sauce, so I just put that to one side and then I drained off the rest of my noodles. And then now you just want to whack them in with all that veggies, the tofu, the mushrooms, mix it in and then just leave it on a medium heat. We're then going to get on with the satay sauce. So I've got the 100 ml of stock. You want to go in with 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. I just prefer the crunchy, it gives an added texture. You then also want to be going in with 4 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Give it a mix, add it in, and then we're going to go in with a handful of coriander. So now that you've got that sauce in, the peanut butter, the soy sauce, I put some black sesame seeds in there. And then I'm also going to go in with the juice of half of a lime. So you want to squeeze that in there. Mix it all up and then you're ready to serve. So there you have it. The tofu, mushroom and bacon satay udon noodles ready. It's got that beautiful taste from the ginger, the spring onions, and then that subtle chili coming through at the bottom. Not to say that beautiful peanut taste all over those beautiful noodles. If you like the video, hit the like button below. Please subscribe so you never miss a YouTube video again. every Wednesday at 6 p.m. and Sundays at 10 a.m. Head over to my website and check out more. And if you just want to see beautiful pictures of food and a little bit more about myself, go to my Instagram at chef_Hampshire. You can find all the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. Peace.